And in this course, you are going to learn two methods of JS, jQuery called Append and Prepend. Look here. Let's say we have a beaver and some content is written inside it. You are looking here. And I want to put a heading inside this dict with the help of jQuery. And I also put it at the very end. That means where the entire content of this dict is ending, at the very end of it. For that, we have a special method in jQuery which we call Append. And if I don't want to put this heading here but want to put it at the top, then for that, we have a special method in jQuery which we call Append. So Append means at the very last, and Prepend means at the very first. That means that the starting will be from this. Let's see how to do it practically. So look here. Here we have created our basic HTML document. Look here. There is a heading at the top, and below it is a box on which we have given an ID. Look at the box here. Inside the HTML, there is a heading and a paragraph inside it. And below it, we have given two buttons, Append and Prepend. On clicking them, we will start our video. We have given both IDs in it, Append button and then Pen button. And below that, we have put an external file of jQuery. This is query.js. And below that, now we are going to do our practical of this video. First of all, I want that as soon as I click on Append, a heading is added here in this box. So, let's see what I will do for this. First, I take my screen tag here. Inside, I write my basic customer code, which is the starting code document.ready. Inside, I create a function. Now here I want that as soon as I click on this account, first I will have to set its click event. So look, for the click event, I have taken an ID here, the up and button PDM. Look, I created selector here first, and here I have added an ease, and inside it, I also create a function in which I will put my code. Look, now as soon as I click on it, I have to append a heading to this box. So for this, I first create the selector of this box, which is our ID, on which I have to work. Now I will use my method here, whose name is this. What I have to append, I have to give it an inverted course within this round base, any tag, text, etc. Whatever I want to give, I can give it here. So see how I take it here, heading 2 and see here, I wrote it as IT Tech, and at the end I closed it, and see this, I saved the file, now I show you here as soon as I clicked on append. See here at the very end of this section our heading has been added. I also inspect it and show you here as soon as I open the box. See at the very end the heading is being added here. I refresh the page again, see in the box first there was a heading 2 on which text. Box is written, then it was coming then. As soon as I appended the paragraph and it see new heading 2 has been added in which it is written IT Tech. You are looking at here, this is what happens. Now it's exactly Prepend. I'll show you this too. I copy the record, and here I use my method Prepend. And here the selector that is like a button is different. Its name is Prepend PTL meaning button. I paste it here as soon as I click on the button. I put H2 inside the box. Look at H2. I've also closed H2 here. Look at this whole code up. As soon as I Prepend, heading 3 has come up here. Looking up as soon as I append, heading 2 has come up here. They'll click on Prepend again. See how many times. I'm clicking, heading is getting prepended, and as many times as I'm clicking on the band. See append is also getting added here, H2 here. So here you understand how we can use append and prepend on the dub. This paint on Pandora is not just a dipper. You can use it on any HTML tag like image tag, table tag, list tag. I will show you another example here. Look here. We have also taken a list. It is an ordered list. This is it. And inside it, this is what is written, list item 1, list item 2, list item. Now you are looking. I see the top one here. The list is coming. Now I prepend and paint it inside. Look at this. Inside it. This is an in-order list. And whenever there is an append, inside the in-order list, that list item will be LI. So look, I take it here at the time of the pen. This is what I have to tag. I have taken LI, and what I have to do with the effect. I have to do it on the over tag here. Look here. I will show you this is an old tag. I want to append inside it. So here I will not take a box. Here I take the tag go over it because there is no ID attached, and there is only one hole in the space. So we target it and append it here. So I also take the text here, like I wrote the list item here. Look, I saved the file here. And as I'm prepending, look, a new LI has been added here, and a number has been automatically added to it, which is the work of the order list. I click on the account again. Look, as many times as I can, I will paste the same content inside it. First, I write here, which is our selector, which we have to target, what I want to prepend inside the LOL. What I want to do, I write here. And here, I didn't write new in the new field, I write iTech. The rest will be a little different. I save the file here, and as I prepend, there is an error here. There are 2 inverter courses. I save the file again, and as I prepend, the new list item is coming up. When I append, the list item new is coming down. Now we are seeing that both the append and append methods are working. So in this way, by using both the append and append methods, you can make a new entry inside any tag in HTML. In the next video, I will tell you about the new text, 2 new methods, after and before. They also work the same way, but there is a slight difference between them. We will see that in the video. So watch that video. Thanks watching Sport my channel. Like, comment, subscribe.